ready.
Jimbo, I was impressed the other day. I watched your video, and you used a wheelbarrow as a paint roller.
I did even on the white, and then I did on the green when I redid the roof.
I'm going to use that someday.
And I'll tell you, and it's good. Now, if you've got too much in the wheelbarrow when you're done,
yeah,
it's hard to get it back in the can. So you pour it out into one of these wash basins.
Right on. Wow.
You pour it out into that, right, out of the wheelbarrow, and then this into the can, because there's no way you can pour it out of a wheelbarrow into that gallon can.
I don't know if you need that or not.
Well, this is the one they gave me.
Okay, you got the exact same thing. You're fine. You're all good.
But this is measured for these big cans.
Well, you're
cans, not this little tiny can.
We just bring a couple masks in case we're going to stay.
But see, that's what they gave me, and that's good for a gallon. And look, it's half as big, which means it goes, instead of a one mixture, it's a half mixture. Because that can is
no, you just
it's 473, and this is 946. So that's pretty darn close to halfway.
I understand, but the size of the can does not affect the mixture.
Yes.
No.
No. Well, that means if I was mixing up a whole gallon, I'd need 2 of these, even though they said this goes for a gallon.
You're not mixing up a gallon of paint for that.
No, but does it hurt to put twice as much hardener in it as you need?
Well, it's going to make your paint different. It's going to make your paint thicker. Anyways, I don't want to get. I want you to have the best.
Well, this is
possible.
what they sold me. Okay. Now, if we use your hardener, which is the bigger can that goes by this one or this.
What does that mix the paint?
Right here.
What's the same?
412.
412. Okay. Is the one hardener or is the one reducer?
The one would be hardener.
Okay, so you just use. So
this would be wrong because this is a half measure. Because it's a smaller can.
Let's check it out here.
You'd be somewhere there.
Okay, say 411.
412.
I understand that. So if you're going, say if you mix it at, say 2 for the paint, you're going 2 to paint. Okay, you pour that much on top of it to give you your hardener, the 1.
Oh, that's how that works.
Yeah, and then you would go. Here,
I might have made a mistake here.
You're fine.
No, when I mixed my paint years ago.
There you go. Right there. Yeah.
Okay. This is how I did it. 4 parts, 1 part, 2 parts.
No.
That's how he told me. That's how I'm sure he told me to do.
No.
4 parts, 1 part, 2 parts.
No. Sorry, Jimbo.
For one. Oh, well, that's how I mixed it.
Okay, well, there you go. That's what maybe your problem is. You have 4 parts paint.
Oh.
And then you go to 4 on the 1. See the 1 there?
No.
See the 1 up here?
Yes.
Well, then there's 4. That's 1. So you go 4 parts paint, and then you dump that up to there with hardener.
Okay.
And then you go 4, because that gives you 2 for the reducer.
But it doesn't fill the can.
No. So you're basically, so you got 4, 1, 2.
I was going 4, 1, 2.
Yeah, well, that's not the way you do it. So it's 4 parts paint. 4 parts paint.
That's a lot different than the instructions he told me and I've been doing. 4
parts paint, right? You got you're going on the 4.
And there's a 4 here.
So that's the hardener, that's the 1.
Yeah, and there's the hardener there.
And that's the reducer.
Yes.
There you go, and that's your mixture.
Oh my God.
So it don't matter how.
Now, with that